Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply the Granny Bee Deco Chic non-tear decoupage paper. We will be using this design. I have prepped my item where I will be applying the design. I have also cut out my design that I will be using. When applying the decoupage paper, we have to paint the background where the decoupage paper will be applied white in order to enhance the printed item. As the item that I'm applying this print on is larger than the print, I have cut away the white strips and I have cut the print to the size that I will require it to be. First, I will be applying my Granny Bee decoupage, where I will be placing the decoupage print. Super easy to use. Once that is applied, I position my print where I want it, and if I see it's positioned incorrectly, whilst it's still wet, I can pull it off and reposition the print. And then I gently wipe it down with my hands. And that's how easy it is. Easy peasy. And my print is positioned. Once this is dry, I will seal my project with Granny Bee's armor. And then I have a lovely project to put in my home.